Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show how do you add money on PayPal. So firstly, open up PayPal, log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, so if you want to add money to your PayPal, then you need to link your bank account to your PayPal so that you can add money through your bank account to your PayPal account. So first you go to link it. So if you want to do that, just click on wallet. So click on wallet. So once you have click on wallet here, then there's an option called link a bank account. So click on link a bank account. So here you just need to type in put in your bank details and then click on agree and link. So that will link your bank account. So firstly, you have to do that first. So first link your bank account. So once you have already linked your bank account, then what you can do, you can just come back to the wallet here. So wallet option here. So just one sec. So here, all right, so here, so once you're on your wallet here, so click on your transfer money. Once you click on transfer money, hit on under money in, add money to your balance, because we're going to add money into your PayPal. So click on it, and then now select the bank account that you have linked. So select on it and then hit next, and then here select the amount that you want to add. All right, so select the amount, and then all you have to do now is hit next and process with the payment. So in that way you'll be able to transfer this amount, add it to your PayPal's from your bank account. That's how pretty much it is. That's how you add money to your PayPal. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.